Bonjour students, welcome to your French class. Please take a note of all the topics covered in these slides. Today we will start with Leçon 1, Lesson 1. Before learning something new, we will quickly revise whatever we have done till now. First we have les articles définis, the definite articles. What is the first one? Le. Le comes with masculine singular. Example, le stylo. So here we see stylo, it is ending with O and not E, so it is masculine. Why? In French, usually the nouns that ends with E are feminine, but here stylo is not ending with E, it is ending with O, so that is why it is masculine. Le stylo, the pen. Next we have la, it comes with feminine singular. For example, la gomme, the eraser. You see here, gomme is ending with E, so it is feminine singular. Next we have L apostrophe. It comes with the nouns that starts with vowels or H. Vowels are the same in French as in English language. A, E, I, O, U. Plus H is also a vowel in French. For example, l'école. It is starting with E, so it is a vowel. So that is why we have put L apostrophe, l'école. It means the school. Then we have les. It comes with all plurals. Even if it is a masculine, feminine, starting with vowel, if it is plural, if it is ending with S, we will always use les. For example, les filles, the girls. So, the meaning of le, la, L apostrophe and les is the, T-H-E, the. Next we have les articles indéfinis, the indefinite articles. First one is un. It comes with masculine singular. For example, un stylo, a pen. Next is une. It comes with feminine singular. For example, une gomme, an eraser. Now you see here, a means a and une means an. Next we have they. It comes with all plurals. For example, they filles, some girls. So the meaning of a in une is a or an, and the meaning of they is some. Next we have les articles partitifs, the partitive articles. First we have due. It comes with masculine singular. The meaning is some. For example, du pain, some bread. Next we have de la. It comes with feminine singular. The meaning is some. Example, de la confiture, some jam. Next we have de L apostrophe. It comes with the things that starts with vowels or H. The meaning is the same. Example, de l'eau, some water. Next we have they. It comes with all plural. The meaning is some. For example, des fruits, some fruits. So the meaning of due, de la, de L apostrophe and they is some. We use partitive articles when we are talking about some imprecise quantity, and usually we use these when we are talking about food items, beverages, etc. Next we have les articles contractés, the contracted articles. You see here we have two prepositions. First one is a, second one is the. So first we will take the first part of the table, that is with a. So contracted articles means when you combine two things and contract that to make one. Now if you see the first case, it is O, AU. It is made when we have added a plus l. So it is used with masculine singular. For example, au garçon, to the boy. Next is à la. It is used with feminine singular. For example, à la fille, to the girl. Next we have a l apostrophe. It comes with vowels in H. Example is à l'étudiant, to the student. Next we have O, AUX-O. It comes with all plurals. The example is aux enfants. It means to the children. So if you see the first O, AU, and the last O, AUX, it is the same. The pronunciation is the same, O. Let's come to the second part, the. So first is due. When we are combining the with l, it becomes due. It is used with masculine singular. Example, du garçon, of the boy. Next, de la. It is used with feminine singular. The example, de la fille, of the girl. Next we have the l apostrophe. It is used with vowels plus h. Example, de l'étudiant, of the student. Last one is they. It is used with all plurals. For example, des enfants, of the children. Now we will learn something new in this lesson, that is les adverbes de quantité, the adverbs of quantity. First one we have is beaucoup de. Beaucoup de. It means a lot, much, or many. Let's take a look at the example. Il achète beaucoup de chocolat. He buys a lot of chocolates. Now, when do we use beaucoup de? We use this expression whenever we are talking something positive. For example, he is buying a lot of chocolates. Maybe he is buying for giving to someone, gifting someone, or for himself. I mean, it is something positive, something good. So we are using beaucoup de here. Next we have trop de. It means too much, too many. Example, il prend trop de sucre. It means he takes too much of sugar. Now here, if you see, there's a difference between beaucoup de and trop de. We used beaucoup de in the positive context, but we use trop de in the negative context. For example, if he is taking a lot of sugar, it will definitely harm him. So it is negative. That is why we have used trop de here. Next we have un peu de. It means a little, bit, or few. Example, je veux un peu de sucre. It means I want a little bit of sugar. So we use un peu de when we are talking about very little quantity. Next we have assez de. It means enough. Example, Elle a assez de crayons. It means she has enough of pencils. Now, enough, we use enough when we are talking about the precise quantity. Not precise, but it's like, okay, not much, not less, enough. Next, we have moins de. It means less or fewer. Example, Elle boit moins de café que Maria. Now here, we use moins de when we are comparing. In this sentence, if you see, we are comparing some girl to Maria. It means she drinks less coffee than Maria. So whenever we will use moins de, the structure will be moins de plus any noun, then plus que, Q-U-E, que, then we will add the name of the person or whatever we are talking about. Next we have plus de. It means more. Again, it is used for the comparison just like moins de. For example, il a plus de chocolat que Pierre. It means he has more of chocolates than Pierre. So the structure is the same. Plus de plus noun plus que plus the name. So we use moins de and plus de with the comparisons. Next we have todo. Meaning is so much. Todo is also used in the negative context, just like trop. For example, il mange trop de biscuits. It means he eats so much of biscuits. It is negative because obviously it can harm him if he eats too much. Next we have combien de. It means how much or how many. We always use combien de when we are asking some question. For example, combien de frères as-tu? It means how many brothers do you have? Now let us quickly revise all the verbs we have done till now. We have done mostly three types of verbs: er, ir and re. So the first one is er verbs. So what is the route that we follow with er verbs? With je we add e, with tu we add es, with ill we add e, with nu we add ons, with vous we add ez, with ill plural we add ent. Now in case of ir verbs, we remove ir and then we add is with je. With tu again we add the same is. With ill we add it. With nu we add issons. With vous we add issez. With ill plural we add issent. The last group of verbs, re verbs, we remove re and then we add s with je. Then again we add s with tu. With ill singular we do not add anything. With nu we add ons. With vous we add ez. And with ill plural we add ent. Thank you.